Hey gamers, my name is Butumelo and welcome to Butumelo Mashishi channel gaming. If you're new here, welcome. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving us a like and subscribe. Today, I was deleting some other apps because I don't have enough space now. So if you guys are watching this, let's play Roblox, I guess. Roblox, you guys' favorite. Roblox. You have Roblox. Minecraft. I love Roblox a lot. Guys, the time I say Roblox, now I love Roblox. Are you guys happy that I'm playing Roblox? Because today we're not gonna play Roblox Rivals, because Roblox Rivals is censored, so we're not gonna play it. So I wanna play another obby, because you guys it seems that you guys love obbies, my obby videos, my Roblox obby videos. So I decided to make another one. This is the last warning. No more, do not comment me obbies anymore. So this is the last obby video that we will be playing. So there are some obbies. This is jump trigger, easy obby, what good. So today I wanna play avocado obby. Avocado, there's a cute avocado there. Well, my friend is scared of avocados. I'm not gonna tell you his name. So he's out of the school. Kosi Sipesitle and Indomiso. If you're watching this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Because Sipesitle and Gwenya always says no one is a gang. In his comments, Sipesitle. Now subscribe, or else I'll comment you something. I'll comment you to play scary games. I'm just kidding, not scary games. I know it's not for their age. If you guys want me to play a scary game, let me know in the comments down below. Because I never play scary games on my channel. It's not safe for kids. Yeah. We are gonna start it, but I think it's soon. Nah. After a few months, I think we can play. Alright, without further ado, let's play an avocado obby. So this is easy. So we have to go right there. Right, it's so easy. Next time, no more obbies, guys. I hate obbies. See that a lot of you guys want me to play more obbies. You all want some more obby videos. Whoa, I almost fell down over there. Man, I don't like obbies a lot, but I wanna make a video out of this one. It's so easy. So I hope it's not the same as ultimate easy obby. Okay, let's jump there. Whoa! Do not die. Do not die. No! I fall down. Champions of the. So I'm at stage 5 now. I think we must go to stage 10. I don't know. Guys, tell me in the comments if you guys have made videos in this game. What stage does it? Now we're at we're at stage 6. Me guys, I'm just a little boy who loves making YT videos. Whoa, I almost broke my Roblox. Can I? Whoa, my stuck. You got to be kidding me. I was almost stuck over there. Oh, damn it. That's why, guys, I don't like obbies. But some obbies that I like, it's easy. If you guys want me to play, want me to show you my favorite game, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna play it. It's Berry Prison. No, I didn't want to go there. I didn't. Oh, great. I'm falling down. If you guys wanna know my... Whoa, I'm jumping weird. Dude, if you guys want to know what's my Roblox account's name, yeah, called Big Roblox U59. Yeah, Big Roblox U59. If you wanna type it, just type it. It's called Big Roblox U59. Yeah, please type it in. Type it on your game. I don't understand this. Which path should I go? I think this one. I'm not sure. I think this one. This is the same. It's the same as Ultimate Easy Obby. Oh, so this is the stairs. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I don't wanna rate. I'll rate later into this. No! Oh, great. I hope this video is not a long video. Just like the same video as Ultimate Easy Obby. I'm not sure how long the game took, so... Are you kidding me? You got to be kidding me. Don't. No. Oh, damn it. You got to be kidding me. How am I supposed to go there? Oh, but it does not disappear. No. Damn it. You're a bad player. I'm a bad player, guys. I'm a bad player. I'm a bad player. I'm not... What happened here? What in the name of the sea ocean just happened, yo? Let's jump. Jumping in the ocean. Whoa. Jumping in the oceans. At least I didn't give my cousin this because it's mine, not hers. I don't believe her now. It's more easier. Where do they get a cart from? No, I don't need it. Oh, can drive with it. Whoa! Oh my god! It's stuck! Whoa! I'm floating! Yo! I'm stuck! I'm floating, guys. Let's dodge that car. Okay, since I already dodged it, I hope that people will not kill me. I wanna get a car crash like Punja. Big Roblox U59 one. Oh, I hope. But guys, am I bad at obbies? Comment down below. Okay, it's more easy. Whoa! No! I'm bad. I'm not gonna go there. Professor, don't you dare! I don't wanna go there. No. This game is a troll game. Roblox. Let's try again, and this time I have to beat this. Okay, this is more easy. I'm not going there. That's why, guys, I know being a gamer is a bit hard. Yeah, I love gaming videos more than vlogs. Even though vlogs, they are a bit boring, I still like them. Just sometimes. Whee! Look at me. Oh my gosh. Hey, get up. Get up. Get up. Ah, just control. Okay. Oh, it's the same as ultimate easy obby. This is not easy. This is... Dude, you got to be kidding me. No. She literally floated down and boom. How did you do that, you lady? Does this move by itself? Yo. How? Let's go. Yeah, I never seen anything like this before. How is this impossible? How was this impossible? Come on. Oh, damn it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah. What is this? The red thing is. Huh? This is about. I know this is. Hey, bacon. There's a cute bacon. Hey, bacon. I'm gonna push you back. Bacon. Where's the bacon? Bacon. Okay, the bacon's over there. So this time the bacon will not beat me up. This is my hopes. I have too many respect in my body. See, we can. I don't understand this. Why? Oh, so which one is the right one? I think this one. Wait a second. I don't understand. Which one's the right one? So that one was the wrong one. So it was that one. I'm so confused. I don't know obbies. Obbies, they're like a bit... Are you kidding me? That was a shadow. How is this more impossible? I don't understand this. Oh, the bacon. Bacon. Let's fall down. Whee! What am I gonna do? Oh, it's a falling down obby thing. This is like from Minecraft. Even though I don't even play Minecraft. Now we're on stage 27. 6-7. I'm not going there. It's fine here. This is more easy. Huh? Oh great, I missed that. Hey, come here, you cheeky little rascal. Yeah, finally. I almost fall down. Oh, they are cute avocados. I love the avocado. Who loves eating avocados? Cause, what are those? What are those pink thingies? Let's just go up here. What are those pink thingies? What are those? I think they're potion from the Smurfs. So we must not. Yay! Yay! That's why, guys. This is more easier. Yeah. How do we dodge this? Okay. Let's run. That was a close one. I'm just so scared that I cannot even think about what did I did at school. Dimity Primer Where was I? Wait a second. Which direction was I going? Ouch. Which direction was I going to? Let's see. Let's see. So we have to go here. After that, here. 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 Dude, how long does this take? How long does this take to do this? Let's go there. Ah, easy. Let's climb up in the sky. Climb up in the sky. You will never know. You, not this trolling obby again. Oh, that's nothing. Okay. What? It's easy. Easy peasy. We have to dodge them. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh great. Okay, let's try it again, I guess. Let's see. Ah! Aha! Okay. Okay, let's go to the other side. It will be more easier. This is a I was almost close. How's the bacon? I just jumped! That's weird. Let's go that side. Oh, great. Let's try again. See? Oh, that was a close one. She's a mama. Okay, more easy. But finally, it was almost gonna took long, guys. We start the video. This is sus. Sus like a butler. Not a toddler. How do we dodge it? How do we actually do this? Okay, let's try again, I guess. This is gonna be... Make sure you guys watch until the end, because this is gonna get more stigma. Sindikeku. Bukosi, if you're watching this, please subscribe now. If you don't subscribe now, I'm gonna unsubscribe your YT channel. Ah, great, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. I thought this was necessary. Oh my god. I mean, oh my gosh. Alright guys, that was by an accident. Come on, how am I gonna do this? You got to be kidding me. How? This obby so it's like, let's jump again. Guys, don't mind me what I'm doing. I'm not acting sus. You guys are sus. You got to be kidding me. See, I wanna have a nice holiday. Yeah. Let's go! I just dodged it. Oh my gosh. Why? Avocados are so beautiful. I like their eyes. Who does in me? So if you're watching this video, please subscribe to this channel. If you don't subscribe to this channel, I'm gonna also unsubscribe your channel. Tell me your channel right now. How do you actually do this? Oh, so we must go here. Easy as that. I hope this is not gonna be hard this time. A lot of people love Mystery Minus 88. I hope from the scary game Granny don't have this. Guana, hey guana, 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 guana. So I never seen an obby like this before. Run! Yo, this obby is so fast. So we must look at it. So we have to go there. Okay, let's run. Let's go. Go. Oh my gosh, why is it so impossible? Okay, let's try this again one more time. How are we gonna do this? How come the baking hair girl can do it? Jump, I don't care. Okay, I'm not gonna fail this. Please, if this is taking too fast. Oh! Wait. Are we gonna bath? Oh. Yes, Mama. Well, guys, that's it for today. We might be playing this game some other time. If you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Click the subscribe button below and turn on the bell so that you can miss any awesome videos like this video. Yes? Yep. And that's it. So I'm just gonna play this all by myself. Well, thanks for watching. Bye. Let's do this.